Hi, today I will show you how to automate thermostats. So let's switch to browser and you can see something like this. And if you are curious how I added this chart, actually, you need to click three dots, edit dashboard, and click add cart and scroll down a little bit. And here you have this sensor chart. So you click this, you choose which device you want to use. For example, like this, something like that. You need to choose proper status, of course, right? So let's check this thermostat, but it will be not a battery level, but temperature, just like that. Scroll up, and now temperature, something like this. You can see you have, if you will choose a proper temperature for a device, you will see that there is an option to make it work. For example, if you will choose this thermostat bedroom air temperature, it shows you the graph, and you can click save and it will be added to your dashboard. I will click cancel. So what I did, I added those graphs into my dashboard, and for bedroom, for the salon, and for the office. Now what I'm going to do, I would like to create some automation. So go to settings, and the easiest way for a beginner is this section, automation and scenes. And you can see I have already increased temperature to 23 degrees of Celsius. So I will click here, and here you can see trigger, it's just the time. So at 5:30 a.m. it increases the temperature here by calling the service climate set target temperature. And here you add targets and you tick temperature and you set the temperature. So we will do the same for decreasing the temperature. So create automation, a new one, add trigger, and exactly set the time. So you can choose the time pattern if you want to, but we will choose the time. And at 00, why not? It's about this time. It will then change the value. So add action, call service, then scroll down and find set, or eventually you can try to climate set. You can see climate set, not preset mode, but set temperature. So set target temperature, you choose this, and then choose, for example, device or area. I will choose device, and office, saloon, and bedroom. And then click this and set 21 degrees of Celsius and save it. And eventually you can write something like decrease temperature to 21°C, something like this. Yeah, in all rooms. Okay, save and go back to, you can see decrease temperature to 21 and increase. And this is it. So if you want to set it like that and you want to run it, so what you need to do, for example, we want to test it. You will click three dots and click run, and it will decrease temperature to 21 degrees of Celsius, and it will then do the job. And if you want to check it, go to overview, for example, and go to this set, and you can see the heat is set to 21 degrees of Celsius everywhere. And here we go. And now I will go back to settings and automation, and I will decrease the temperature. We decrease it to 21. Now I want to increase it to 23 because it will be too cold, for example. So click three dots and run. Of course, it will run at a proper time, but we want to test it. So go back to overview and check, and you can see 23, 23, and 23. So you can see that the automation is working correctly. There is no problem with this, and you can set it just like that, and it's working like a charm. There is no need to do anything else. I hope I explained everything well. Thank you very much. Have a nice day or night. Take care. Bye-bye.